Here's a puzzle that fools almost everyone, including math teachers. A farmer has 100 kilos of potatoes and they're 99% water. He leaves them out to dry until they're 98% water. How heavy are they now? The answer is 50 kilos, half the load gone. This is the potato paradox. Percentages have been confusing people for centuries. Italian merchants in the 1400s wrote percento on their ledgers, and that scribble slowly became the percent sign. The potato paradox is the classic trap, a tiny change in percent, hiding a massive change in weight. Your intuition reads it like this. The potatoes lost 1% of their water, so they should be about 1 kilo lighter. 99 kilos, give or take. That answer is off by a factor of 50. The trick is to ignore the water completely. Look at the dry matter instead. At the start, it's 1% of 100 kilos, exactly 1 kilo of potato solids. And here's the key. Drying removes water, never solids. That kilo is locked in. Now run the numbers after drying. Water is 98%, so the dry kilo must be the other 2% of the new total. And if 1 kilo equals 2%, the total is 1 divided by 0.02, exactly 50 kilos. Check it. 50 kilos total minus the 1 kilo of solids leaves 49 kilos of water, and 49 out of 50 is exactly 98%. It works. The water went from 99 kilos down to 49, half of the cargo evaporated. This trap is everywhere food gets dried. A kilo of fresh apricots is about 85% water. Dried, they're down near 30, and suddenly you're holding barely 200 grams. Same fruit, same solids. So whenever a percentage moves, ask the only question that matters. Percent of what? So the dry stuff never changes. 1 kilo went from 1% to 2%, and that alone forced the total from 100 kilos down to 50. Next time a percentage looks innocent, weigh the dry stuff. Subscribe for more math that breaks your brain.